Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show one-by-one steps to set up and use Time Machine Backup on a Mac computer. So, let's watch the video until the end. macOS has a Time Machine Backup tool configured to use a particular drive for backups. It helps you regularly and automatically back up your files whenever the drive is available, including photos, apps, emails, music, and documents. Step 1. Time Machine Setup. First, connect the external storage device to a Mac computer, such as an external hard drive or SSD. For example, I connect my external SSD backup drive to my MacBook. Go to the Apple menu at the top left corner and click on System Settings. Then, go to the General section in the left sidebar and select Time Machine on the right-hand side. Then, click on Add Backup Disk and choose your external drive. Here, I am selecting my connected external SSD drive as a backup disk. Then, click the Setup Disk button to continue. Step 2. Automatic Backups. The encrypted backup option appears on your Mac screen. If you want a secure backup, allow it and create a password. Please remember that you can't restore your data without this password. In my case, I am turning off the toggle next to Encrypt Backup and hit the Done button. The Time Machine automatically starts the initial backup and creates hourly, daily, and weekly backups. How to use Time Machine Backup. Some files on my Mac were accidentally deleted from my Mac desktop, so I want to restore it. Follow the next steps performed on a video screen. In addition, we can restore full backup using Migration Assistance or restore Time Machine Backup in recovery mode. Use 1. Browse and restore file. We'll go to the Time Machine menu at the top right and click Browse Time Machine Backups. Here, we're navigated to the date before the file was deleted. Click the up or down arrow to find your file, then hit the Restore button. As you can see, my deleted file is restored from the Time Machine Backup. Use 2. Migration Assistant. If you want to get backup from another Mac, Windows PC, or Time Machine Backup drive, you can transfer using Migration Assistant. Moreover, you can transfer Time Machine Backup and other startup disk information. Open the Spotlight search and search for Migration Assistant. Click the Continue button. Then, enter your Mac lock screen password to allow the Migration Assistant to access changes. Then, click the OK button. Here, select the option to transfer your information and hit the Continue button. Use 3. Recovery mode. Keep the external backup drive connected to your Mac computer. Then, go to the Apple icon at the top left corner, click Shutdown, and confirm the shutdown option. Wait for at least 10 seconds to completely shut down. After that, for Apple Silicon Mac, press and hold the power button until your device shows Start Volume on your Mac screen. For Intel-based Mac, press and hold Command and R keys together to start your Mac computer. Here, I have Apple Silicon M2 chip Mac, so I am pressing the power button. So we can see the startup partition and installer drive. Select Options and click Continue button. This may take some time. Please wait until macOS recovery screen loads. If you have multiple volumes, select the volume you want to recover from and hit the Next button. After that, enter your user password and click Continue button. Now, the home screen recovery mode screen appearing on my Mac device. Select Restore from Time Machine and click Continue button. That's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.